She knows when I'm lonesome. She cries when I'm sad. She's up in the good times. She's down in the bed. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl doesn't know about you. I can tell her my troubles. She makes them all seem right. I can make up excuses that will hold her at night. We can talk tomorrow. There are things that I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you I think of every single night and day? But when is it easy tell someone we're through? Oh girl, help me tell her about you. How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you.